pretty.
Beautiful. Nice and relaxing.
No traffic behind us. Everybody left for the go home for the weekend.
Cool there.
It'll be busy tomorrow, I'm sure.
Yeah. Today might have been, if it weren't for the clouds, today might have been the day to go to the sunrise.
Yeah, it's just too cloudy. I want to go when it's sunny. Tomorrow's sunny. It's supposed to be sunny at least. Let's look at signs because I want to make sure I know where the trail is. Let's see. This is Forest and Fire Trail. Oh, you turn up there to go to that, I guess. Road.
Yeah.
Glacier National Park. Ah, pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, look at the river. North Fork Flathead River. Good place to go fishing.
You look over your right shoulder.
Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go, bad road.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out for the chug holes.
Oh, I've already had enough chug holes on this trip.
Yeah, me too. Flathead National Forest.
Left turn, right?
Hold on a minute. Columbia Falls, Canadian border. No, we go towards the Canadian border.
Right turn.
Yeah. I had to think a minute. I had to think about the map.
Wow.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. Here we go. Dun dun dun. The locals don't want the road paved,
Because they're loco.
which I think is just silly. Silly locals.
Don't pull out here.
No, I don't. Well, should have probably. Because it's pretty. We need to get some pictures.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Why you coming? Don't take the picture. Maybe it'll get better around the corner. Oh my gosh.
I know. Well.
Dodge the holes.
Oh, hit one.
Kind of like dodgeball, but it's holes. Oh. Some on the left, they look pretty serious.
Oh, I see. Oh.
Look up to see the view, and
Oh, man. Pretty, pretty.
I hit the chug holes. Where's the soft spot?
I can't find it.